Grounded kami. Maganda ang mga values na na-share sa akin ng mga magulang ko. At maganda rin na naimulat sa akin yung buhay dito sa Tondo at yung buhay ng mga tao sa Valley World. And I'm very happy kasi na-present sa akin best of both worlds. Now, when you have both worlds, what do you pick up from each? You pick up the best. Natutunan ko talaga yung alam mo yung 5 piso, ang hirap hingin. Oo, for projects, diba? Ang hirap hingin. Pero dun ka matututo maging resourceful. Dito naman sa kabila, natutunan ko ang biggest take away ko, yung pakikitungo sa tao. Taliwa sa mga napapanood ko na yung mga teleserye na pagmayaman, ang tawag ng mata, kobre, mga ganon, hindi, taliwas talaga. Sila yung talagang grounded, mababait ng mga tao. Yeah. So yun yung mga natutunan ko.
So anong gusto mong ipakita ng video na to pag binasa na?
Here kasi, like now, for the first chapter, I discussed being present. Being present. Ngayon kasi sa age natin ngayon na lahat ang daming distraction, meron tayong phone, meron tayong social media. Even, with parenting, pagkasama mo na yung anak mo, nasa telepono ka. You are with your kids, but you're not really being present. You're not being present. You perform, ngayon, kasama ko kayo, pwede mo sabihin na, okay, nagpapaganda ako, pwede ko kayong harapin, hello, hi, hello, but am I really present? Am I really here to talk to you? Am I really here to talk about my book? Or I'm here because I just want to be seen? So it's really about being present. And I share this with my G-Force. Kinuwento ko dito yung experience ko sa gymnastics. I competed when I was younger in gymnastics, and hindi naman ako hardcore gymnast. I was in high school. This was siguro, nag-start na ako ng adrenaline sa mga 14 years old. I competed, and then, pagsabi, okay, Jercel, dapat from Tondo High School. Pasok ako. And then, I know that I have to be there. I have to be present. Surprisingly, nakakatuwa kasi yung first placer, ang intense ng stunts. Gymnast talaga. The only, anong offer ko? My offer was my flexibility and my presence. So pumasok ako doon, I made sure na, I'm in this competition, I have to give it my all. And then, first position agad. I wanted to attract the crowd because I want them to know that I'm there. And then after that, ako yung nilapitan ng RP team trainer, RP team coach. And I-invite na ako to train with them sa RP team. So, yung paglapit na yon, kasi second placer ako, but man, ang layo ng first placer. Yung factor na yun, parang nakakataba na ng puso. Parang feeling ko, winner na ako.
Nadala sa projection.
Nadala sa projection. Yeah. Kasi alam mo, pag binigay mo talaga yung all mo, hindi siya malayong bumalik sa'yo na, the people will really appreciate it, that you're really giving importance sa kanila. Yeah. Teacher Jercel, my students, and ABS-C, all my students there. Yeah. So, lahat sila tinatawag na ako teacher. And then, it was year 2007 or 8 when they launched me sa ASAP to have a segment called Dance School in the beginning. And then it became Dance U after a year or 2. Si Garlic pa yung writer noon, sabi niya, we're gonna present dance something, Mickey Purse, and then dance master, Jercel. So I go, girl, I'm not comfortable, dance master. Call me na lang kung anong tawag sa akin ng mga estudyante ko. So teacher Jercel, because that's, I'm comfortable because that's how they call me talaga. Then it became a moniker. Yun na yung moniker nila sa akin, teacher Jercel.
So kung dati sa Tondo ka naman nila, ngayon sa BGC?
Sa BGC. No naman.
Besok Bawon talaga.
No naman.
Makati?
No. New Manila.
New Manila.
Yes, New Manila.
Okay,
No.
Si ano dito sa Yung friend mo, si Sarah, ang nag-forward.
Oo, ang cute niyan.
Oh, ba't walang walang
Drama.
presentation si Casey?
Si Casey, nandito si
Oo,
Casey.
like
Ah, meron ba?
Oo, nandito si Casey.
So talaga,
Yeah.
super close kayo ni Sarah. Parang
Mhm.
ikaw yung nagturo sa kanya ng nagturo kung paano sumayaw.
Yeah, alam mo si Sarah kasi natural dancer naman.
Oo nga.
Oo, it's just a matter of giving her the helping her pinpoint kung ano talaga yung design dance for her. She's a natural dancer. She's a supernatural dancer. Nakakaaliw yan kasi nirevise niya pa. May mga
Siya talaga
revision.
nagsulat.
Siya talaga.
Ano yung Casey?
Asan ba yung kid
Yung
Casey?
ano,
About
ano,
Yung mga picture.